What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I have another iPhone 17 Pro Max accessory video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Caudabe Synthesis, another banger from Caudabe. It's really hard to pick between the sheath and the Synthesis, but I'm going to make this video. We're going to go ahead and unbox the Synthesis. You guys let me know in the comment section below. Are you team sheath? Are you team Synthesis? Maybe I'll make a compare video so we can look at them side by side. But today we're going to take a look at the frosted Synthesis for the Cosmic Orange iPhone 17 Pro Max. Really loving this color. Clear and frosted cases are going to make this phone in this color just pop a little bit more. So I'm excited to get into this thing. So let's not waste any time. Let's just go ahead and get to the unboxing. All right, so we're going to set the iPhone out of the frame for a little bit. Just take a look at the box. We've got Caudabe Synthesis down here at the bottom. We've got some language here for us, which just basically tells us what I've got. The iPhone 17 Pro Max Synthesis, nothing too crazy. On the sides of the box, we've got some features of the case on the back here. We've got the unique dot matrix pattern that elevates the design while enhancing the grip. Covered buttons with incredible tactile feedback. Textured back shell, so the frosting is going to be textured on this case. And then we've got full compatibility with MagSafe accessories. All right, on select models, we have a MagSafe version of the Synthesis. All right, so let's go ahead and bust this open. Same box as the sheath. You kind of pop it from the top, comes out, nothing in there. All right, we've got some more Caudabe branding here. Go ahead and pop this open, and we've got our case. All right, before we take a look at that in detail, we'll just kind of look at what else we get in the box. Nothing too crazy here. Minimalist perfection. Another little pamphlet. Some promoing on there. All right, and then you don't really get anything else in the box. There's nothing else in here. All right, take this out. You're not missing really anything. So pretty minimalistic, just like their slogan, minimalist perfection. Their box is very minimalistic as well. But we've got the case, the frosted Synthesis. Let's go ahead and, before we start messing around with this product on our phone, let's go ahead and just pop right in and see what we've got for the weight. Let's go ahead and zero this out. All right. So it looks like the Synthesis is going to be about 50 grams. All right, we'll come back to that when we put the phone in. We're about 50 grams. So it's not the lightest thing, but it's not the heaviest case either. But let's go ahead and take a look, our first look, if you will, without the iPhone. So right off the get-go, you can see that we've got the MagSafe ring in the black, which I think really accents the orange very well, that black and orange. And then we've got our frosted back. As you can see, you can't really see my hand through there, pretty frosted. And it's got that textured frost on there, so it's going to give you some good grip when you're holding it. All right, and then like I mentioned on the box, we've got the dot matrix around here, so you've got some grip here. We've got our covered buttons, nothing crazy on the top. We've got our camera control, power button over here, more dot matrix in between. That's going to give you that great grip. All right, and then we also have our camera lip protection. As you can see, we're going to get some good camera lip protection. And so maybe the big difference between the Synthesis and the sheath, this may be a deciding factor on whether or not you like this case, is on the sheath, we've got the camera bump, plateau, whatever. You guys can debate me in the comments about what you want to call this thing. But the new camera system for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, the sheath has it covered. Synthesis leaves it open, so you're going to be able to see the color of your phone, whether you have the silver, cosmic orange, or the blue. So some people like that. Some people want their phone completely covered from head to toe, especially with all the Scratchgate stuff that's going on. Maybe you don't want it open, but I like frosted, I like clear, and I like the grip that this thing brings with the minimalistic profile. It's not that chunky of a case, if you will. All right, so we'll take a look at the bottom. We have our ports here. We've got our ports at the bottom, our speaker and our charging port there. I think you're going to be able to get a decent sized cable in there. All right, so we'll bring in iPhone 17 Pro Max. Let's go ahead and pop it in. All right, we'll go ahead and pop this in. Nice, good pop. And I have a screen protector on, but we'll go ahead and here and get our total measurement. So it's 50 grams, for this thing by itself, give or take the differential here with a screen protector. Let's see what we've got total with this. A little under 300, so we're at 296 grams. Again, I have a screen protector, so if you don't, you might a gram or two off different there. Maybe if you put stickers, decals, or something on your phone, lanyard loop, you might add yourself a little bit extra weight, not too much, but we're about 296 grams. All right, so we'll take a look here. Make sure everything's where it's supposed to be. So we got our MagSafe ring on the back, and you can already see right away how that black is popping with the orange. It's popping with the lens colors. It just really accents really nice. We've got the black all the way around. But we'll take a look at the camera lip first. There's our camera lip protection. So you're going to get good protection, as you can see. Try to get as zoomed as possible. These are just raw, ready to go unboxing. But you can see if we turn it to the side, it has the lenses covered. All right, it's going to allow you to put your phone on the table and not let it rock, which I love. If you've had the previous iPhone models, they rock and shake no matter what case you get. This plateau keeps it flat, but then the camera lips as well are going to protect it. All right, let's take a look at the sides. We got our camera control, power button. We'll take a look at the bottom. Definitely going to be able to get a good size USB-C in there. Take a look at our sides here. See if we can get you guys a good look at the dot matrix on there. If we can get a little zoom, might be tough on the black on black. All right, nothing crazy again on the top. And then I know you guys are out there probably wondering, does the Synthesis have tactility with the buttons? Let's go ahead and take a listen real quick. Yeah, this thing has some pretty tactile buttons. So if tactility is your thing, the Synthesis is going to itch that scratch, if you will. Amazing tactility. We'll go ahead and test a few things. So again, we've got the MagSafe ring on the back. It's going to give you some good MagSafe strength. I have a MagBack wallet on here. We'll shake this thing. That's not coming off. We got some good MagSafe strength there. And then because you have the MagSafe, you're going to be able to get your wireless charging, which is pretty much how I charge my device at nighttime. If I need a little top offs in the middle of the day, I'll use a cable. Not too big a deal, but you are going to get the versatility to do both. But we'll take a look here and should be able to get a pretty good sized cable in there. So pretty good sized cable. You got some room. But that's it, guys. This is the Caudabe Synthesis for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I think this case does a little bit of everything. It's giving that slim profile. You're getting your job protection. You're getting your grip. You're getting your camera control. You're getting your MagSafe. It's going to let you accent the colors on your phone. I think Caudabe is cooking this year. I think Apple cooked in general with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I think this is one of the nicest looking iPhones we've gotten a little bit. All the lineups have great features, have great colors. But I'm thinking if you have the orange, you're going to want to go ahead and snag yourself the Synthesis. But let me not be the judge. You guys tell me what you guys think. Are you team Sheath? Are you team Synthesis? Go and let me know in the comment section below. Like this video if you found it helpful or enjoyable. Subscribe if you want to be a part of the community and see more tech and lifestyle videos over on this channel. But that is it for me. Like always, be blessed. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.